Hi guys, it's Sarah with Something's Pretty Special, and I wanted to come on today and share with you my fall cards. I'm super excited. I got them finished. Fall, I believe, officially starts tomorrow, and I should be able to have these in mail by the weekend, so yay! Before I share with you the cards, I want to show you a couple of the supplies I bought new this year that I used, just so you guys kind of see how I, took the supplies and made them into my cards. I was at my local scrapbooking store a few weeks ago, and I absolutely fell in love with this Echo Park Celebrate Autumn paper and supplies that they had. They had like the stamps and the embossing folders and all that stuff, but I knew that I had some really good basics to go with fall, so I really just needed the decorative stuff. So this is primarily what I used, but ironically I didn't use a lot of these stickers. I actually preferred a different collection for the stickers. The nice thing is, and one of the reasons I really like Echo Park, is that I feel like Echo Park also designs Cartabella, so usually you can mix those two together. So like a Cartabella paper pad and Echo Park sticker sheet, the colors are similar and you get some really cool projects that way. And so I did buy this sticker sheet, but I really only used these two, and this is a card for my nephews and this is a card for my niece. The other sticker sheet is a Cartabella sticker sheet, and this one I used a lot of, and this one is the Fall Break collection. And there was something about kind of the way the stickers, the vintage kind of look on this one that I liked, but I also felt they went really well with the paper collection from the Celebrate Autumn. So those are the two sticker sheets that I used. I used, my sentiments are from a couple of Simon Says stamp sets. This is one of them I used. It's called Pumpkin Spice It Up, and this was the Stamptember exclusive last year from the Greeting Farm, and I used this sentiment here and then this one up here that says Fall is Here. The other stamp set, is this one, and this one is called Apple of My Pie, and again it's from Simon Says Stamps, and I use this one down here that says so incredibly grateful for all of my blessings, and then there's this little PS that includes you, so my sentiment was this one, and then the PS that includes you. And then for the card envelopes and bases, I'm using from American Crafts this DIY set of A2 cards and envelopes. I bought the Celebrate Autumn enamel dots, and I used a few of these. And then I did buy the Celebrate Autumn 6x6 paper pad, and I have about half of it left. And I'm just gonna do a super quick flip through because I'm pretty sure everybody has seen this one before. I really liked this paper, just with the different scripting. There's this one. The animals are really cute on this one. And I love the pops of teal that are in this paper pad. I think it just adds a little bit of brightness to the collection. These owls are really cute. My niece is gonna love her card with the owls. And then this one, it's hard to tell, but there is a faint pattern on this one. It's not just plain orange. And then, so that's the paper collection. Everything else, I did have some leftover fall stuff in my stash, so I just kind of was trying to use up bits and pieces and scraps. So there are a few things out of my stash in here as well. So let's take a quick look at the cards. This was a cut apart from the paper. This was some trim out of my stash, and this is one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. And this paper has kind of a glittered polka dot background. I don't know if you can see that. And that's the inside. This one looks pretty basic, but there's a lot of foiling on the paper, which in person just gives it a really nice kind of sheen. This is just a stitch circle die I got from Simon Says Stamp that's been in my stash for quite a while. And then that's that sentiment. This card I really like just because I think it looks fantastic, but it was just layering some stickers from the sticker sheet. So all of these, the gingham, this, and this banner piece were stickers. So I really like, even though it's quite simple, I think it still looks really nice. I love these little animals. I think they're super cute. Again, more trim from my stash. I really liked this pumpkin latte time sticker, and I think it just looks really good with this kind of floral background paper. And that one says pumpkin spice it up. The ink I used inside of the card is the Tim Holtz Distress ink in Spiced Marmalade, and it's a really nice orange color, so I thought that was cute, and it went really great with this paper. Another cut apart from the sheet, some enamel dots, and then the sentiment. This one is for my nephews, and I really thought this box was super cute. And that's the inside. This is another cut apart from the paper. And I did distress a lot of the paper with Vintage Photo, which is the Tim Holtz Distress ink as well. So that's what all the distressing is. And then that's the inside of that one. And I really love the pops of blue. I think it just brightens up the fall paper so much. This is an owl. My niece is going to love this card. I'm super excited to send this to her. That's the inside of that one. This was my husband's favorite. This picture looks a lot like the church where we got married, so I really just liked this sticker. I think the sticker was one of the main reasons I bought the Cardabella sticker sheet. And I just did some layering. Again, this is just a stitched rectangle die from Simon Says Stamp. And this is popped up on some foam dots with some enamel dots here. And then that's the inside. And then this is the last one. I just thought these were so cute with the animals. So it's another cut apart from the sheet. This is that same glitter polka dot paper from my stash. And then that's the inside there. So those are my fall cards and everything that I used. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.